To get the most out of Semrush, it is essential to understand the best practices for using its dashboard. Semrush is a powerful tool that provides insights and data to help you optimize your website and improve your online presence. First, let's start with setting up your Semrush dashboard. When you log into your Semrush account, you will see a variety of widgets and tools that provide different types of data and insights. To customize your dashboard, click on the Add Widget button and select the tools that are most relevant to your needs. One of the key features of the Semrush dashboard is the ability to track your website's position in search engine results pages. To do this, navigate to the Position Tracking tool and enter your target keywords. Semrush will then provide you with data on your website's position for each keyword, as well as insights into your competitors. Another important tool in the Semrush dashboard is the Audit tool. This tool provides a comprehensive analysis of your website's technical and content issues, and offers recommendations for improvement. To use the Audit tool, navigate to the Audit section of the dashboard and select the type of audit you want to run. In addition to these tools, the Semrush dashboard also provides insights into your website's backlinks and content performance. The Backlink Analytics tool provides data on the number and quality of backlinks to your website, while the Content Analyzer tool provides insights into how your content is performing in search engine results pages. To get the most out of the Semrush dashboard, it is essential to set up regular audits and track your website's position and backlinks over time. This will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of your website's strengths and weaknesses, and allow you to make data-driven decisions to improve your online presence. By following these best practices, you can use the Semrush dashboard to gain a deeper understanding of your website and improve your search engine optimization efforts. Remember to regularly review and adjust your dashboard to ensure that you are getting the most out of Semrush.